Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Homemade cranberry sauce. Medium heat, add water, sugar, mix until dissolved. Add frozen cranberries. Stirring occasionally. Bring to a boil. Cook until desired consistency. Make sure it's pretty thick and nice and saucy. Cranberry sauce.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.